Whoa! There we go. Okay.
Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on.
It makes noise. Step! Step! Present home.
There was chaos, it was horror, yet first responders, without thinking twice, went into that building. It took 6 years to find all of Todd's body parts. He left behind my friend a beautiful wife and 3 children. She said it was like burying him over and over again.
God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above.
To dedicate this bell to the service of the many veterans who have sacrificed their life and given nobly for the cause of American freedom. May God bless every one of you. God bless our great state, and God bless our great nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming.